Good morning, friends. Today we're going to learn operators. Okay. Now, basically, Python program has a line structures. Now, what is a line structure? Now, when you write a program, it is consisting of many lines. Correct? In the same way, we have either we have physical lines or logical lines. What is a physical line? When you write a program, okay, when you write a first line and when you terminate with a new line character, that is when you press enter, then it will treat it as a physical line. Okay, logical line means a group of physical lines. Okay, but the logical line is treated as if you write with the same functionality, and it will treat as a single line. You can create a logical line in two ways: implicitly and explicitly. Implicitly means Python will take care of the lines, and if you want to create a logical line with physical lines without pressing enter, you just press backslash and keep on writing the second line in the second line itself, and you have to keep on writing backslash after each line. Then even though they are in line by line, that Python program will treat the entire program in a single line. Okay. Now, what happens when you write a Python program? See, I will take the example of human digestive system. Okay. When you eat something, the food is crushed and the food particles are made into tiny particles, correct? And then it will be swallowed into your mouth, and then it will reach stomach, and this is the normal procedure of human digestive system. Now, with this, you have to use the analogy, like whatever you take food will be considered as source code. That means what have you typed in Python program? The Python program is nothing but our food. I said food is crushed and it is converted into small particles, correct? Okay, by your mouth. In the same way, a lexical analyzer will convert your program into very small parts, and each part will be, okay, each part will be given to syntax analyzer, and again this process will continue until your program finishes. Now, let us give one example. Now, generally, what is a token? In Python, tokens are nothing but literals. Literals are of many types, like string literal, a complex literal, number literal, and operators, keywords, special symbols, identifiers, punctuators. You can find all these in a single program. Okay, you can find all these in a single Python program. Now, Python program will be converted into small tokens. Like now, if I write a is equal to 10, okay, and see this, if you type this Python program, now this lexical analyzer will treat like this. What I am telling, listen carefully. If I type a is equal to 10, so a is an identifier. So identifier is nothing but name, correct? Name. Then actually the Python file will be in the form of UTF-8 encoding. So first it will record the encoding standard of the file. Then a is a variable. So variable or keywords will be treated as name. So it will give name. See here, first encoding standard is UTF-8, name, name A, name A. So then equal to, then 10. 10 is equal to. So 10 is a number. 10 is a number. Then I pressed enter. This is the symbol for enter. Okay, this is the symbol for enter. Now, and I have written if. I have written if. So if is a name. Okay, if is a name. Then I have given some space. After A, I have given some space and I have written A. And I have written A. A is a name. Correct? A is a name. Then greater than symbol. So greater than symbol. Then 5. 5 is a number. 5 is a number. Then I have kept colon. So colon. Then after colon I have pressed enter. So enter. This is new line means enter. Okay, enter. Then I have given some space. See this? This is called indentation. I have discussed earlier also. This is called indentation, right? So indent. After indentation, I have written print. Print. So print is a name. Then print is a name. Now after print, I have used left parenthesis. Left parenthesis. Left parenthesis is LPAR. This LPAR means left parenthesis. Now left parenthesis. After left parenthesis, this entire thing will be converted as a string because this is enclosed by double quotation marks. So this entire thing will be considered as string. This entire thing will be considered as string. Okay, then after string, what is there? Small thing, comma, comma is there. See this? Comma. And then after comma, A is a name. Then after A, we have closed this, right? Closed this. So RPAR means right parenthesis. Okay. After right parenthesis, I have pressed enter. Then indentation closed, didn't, and end marker. So end marker means the end of the Python program. This is how Python will treat your program. I have written this program. I will explain you again. Okay, I have written a equal to 10 and a equal to 10, and I pressed enter. And after pressing enter, I have written if a greater than 5, I have kept colon and I pressed enter, and I have given some space, that is called indentation, and I have written print. Then I opened left parenthesis, and in the left parenthesis I have written the string, the value is, and I kept comma and I wrote a, then I closed right parenthesis and I pressed enter, and indentation closed. Out of the indentation is didn't, end marker. So these things generated by the lexical analyzer parser. Okay, so this is your program. This is your program. Understood? Then Now, so this is your program. So how I got this tokens? You have to press. You have to, okay. 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 Here I will go to this terminal point. Terminal. So how to get tokens in this program? You have to type Python hyphen m tokenize hyphen e. Name of the file is tokens dot tokens demo tokens demo dot py. Now can you see this output? Can you see this output? This is how you have to tokenize the Python program. In this way, Python program is treated by the parser. This is the internal working of a Python program. What is UTF-8? Python files encoding standard. Now, this is your program. Okay, this is your program, and this is your internal behavior of your Python program. See this, a is equal to 10. So a equal to 10. I have pressed enter. If a greater than 5, I have kept colon and I pressed enter, and I have given some space, that is called indentation, and I have written print. After writing print, I have opened this. Okay, I have opened this print, and I have written string, the value is, and I kept comma, and I have written a. Then I closed this. I have closed this right parenthesis. After closing, I pressed enter and came out of the indentation, that is called redent, and end marker, that is end of the program. This is how the Python program will be read by the uh, parsers. Okay, this is how the Python program will be treated. This is called tokenization. Okay, this is called tokenization. Okay, now we'll go to this next chapter called operators. Okay, let us go to this operators topic. Operators dot demo. Okay, now you have seen this plus minus, a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Then print of a plus b. Okay, a plus b will give you the plus, that is addition. Now in the same way, we have subtraction. In the same way, we have multiplication. Then division, let us execute this. So this is our program, a plus b. So 10 plus 20 is 30. 10 minus 20 is minus 10. 10 into 20 is 200. Okay. Now then again a is equal to sum 2 and b is equal to sum 3. Now if I write print of a b, so this is called power. So it will print 2 cube, that is 8. Now I will keep this as, now this is called commenting. So comments I have given. Okay, I will give comment for this. Then eight. Why? This is called power symbol. Okay, it will compute 2 cube. 2, a is 2 and b is 3. So 2 cube, that is 8. 2 cube is 8. That's all. Now, and division. So this is normal division. Now, normal division in Python always gives float value. So 2 by 3. So this is float value. Now I want integer value. So only integer value. So if I keep like this, it will give 0. Let us see this. It will give 0 and this fractional part will be eliminated. So it will give 0. That's all. Okay. Now how to express even number or not, like I want to check if a is divisible by 2 or not. Now you have to use this modulus operator. This operator is called this percentage symbol. Let us say, right? What you know is percentage symbol. This percentage symbol is called modulus operator in Python. If a, that is 10, is divisible by 2, and how can you decide that if it is divisible by 2? If it gives the remainder 0, so when it is divided by 2 and it will give the remainder as 0, so I can treat this as even. So print, I will say that a comma is, so a is a even number. So what does it print? 10 is a even number. Then it will print 10 is a even number. Okay. So it will print 10 is a even number. In this way, you can type your own text using print. Okay. Now if I give 2 and here 2, let us say I give 10 here and b is equal to 2. Okay. And I have written something like this: print a left shift of 2. 2 is b. This operator is called left shift operator. This is operator is called left shift operator. Now, what is this statement mean? So 10, you have to convert 10 into binary number. So what is the binary of binary number of 10? What is the binary number of 10? Binary number of 10 is binary of 10 is correct. Binary number of 10 is 1010, correct? 1010. And here I am saying that it should shift to two places. It should shift to two places. Now, shifting of two places. So this is 1010 and I am shifting to two places left side. So 1, 2. So from this I will write 1010 again. So 1010 again. See this? These two places are left empty in here. See this? If I shifted two places here, these two places are empty. So when it is empty, I can fill with 0, 0. So you have to calculate the binary value of this number. Now, what is the binary value of this number? Binary value of this number is, now how many digits are there? 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 into 2 power n minus 1. So there are 6. So I have to multiply with the 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is 32. 32. Then 0. Then this is 2 power 0, that is 1. 2 power 1. 2 square. 2 cube. 2 cube is, so here I will write like this. So see this? 2 power 0. From right side to left side we have to convert. So 0 into 2 power 0, that is 1. 2 power 1, that is 2. 2 cube, sorry, 2 square 4. 2 cube 8. 2 power 4 16. Now next thing is 2 power 16. 16, then 8, then 2 power 5, 2 power 4, 2 power 3, 2 square, that is 4, then 2 power 1, 2, then that is 2 power 0 is 1. Now we have to multiply this. 32 into 1, 32 into 1, 32 plus 8, plus 8. Now the value for this binary number is 40. Okay, you know how to convert this binary value into integer form. You can calculate this, right? So let us see what happens. Now I said that to print A left shift operator B. Now let us see this. What is the value? 40. Got it? 40. Now I will say the simple trick. What is the simple trick? This if A is a number and b is a number. Now the trick is a into 2 power b. That's all. A into 2 power b. Now a into 2 power b. Now what is a here? What is a here? A is 10 and b is 2. Now left shift operator is nothing but answer will always be a into 2 power b. 2 power 2 power sorry, a into 2 power b. Now a is 10. 10 into 2 power b. 2 power b is 2. 2 square is 4. 4 into 10 40. Got it? Let us see one more example. So if a is 10, okay, like this, it will print 10 into 10 into 2 power b. B is here 2. So 2 a into 2 power b. So 10 into 2 power b. 2 power b is 4. So 10 into 4 40. In this way it will print. Now I will change the values. Let us see this formula works or not. 5 2. Now according to this, a into 2 power b is nothing but a is 5, okay, into 2 power b. 2 power b, a into 2 power b. What is b? 2. So 5 into 2 square. 2 square is 4. 5 into 4 20. Let us see this output. Now I have changed the values of 5 and 4. 5 and as 5 and 2. Now see this. Correct? 5 into 4 20. Now again, if I put 6 and 2, simply 6 into 2 square, 6 into 4 24. That's all. Formula is a into 2 power b. Got it? This is called left shift operator. Now print, when there is a left shift operator, there should be right shift operator, right? Now right shift operators means now in the same way you have to convert 6 into binary number and you have to shift to 2 places. Now I will tell the direct formula, because you know when you apply the same concept with the right shift operator, okay, as we did with the left shift operator. So this formula is a by, now let us see to get the idea. Now let us print this. A by a by 2 power n. This is the formula. So 6 by 2 square. 6 by 2 square is 4. That too integer value. 6 by 4 is 6 by 4. Integer value is 1. So if I write 32, okay. Now what is the value? 32. Now formula is, for right shift operator, formula is a into okay, a into okay, a into, sorry, not a into, a floor division. This operator is called floor division operator. floor division operator. A into 2 power b, 2 power 2 power b. Now I have changed the values of a and b. Now according to this, now I can write 32 by 2 square. 2 square is 4. 32 by 4 is 8. Now let us see if 8 is printed or not in the second value. Second value, okay? 8. Got it? Got it? Yes. And now then AND operator. A and B. Now let us see how it works. A and B. Now A and B means you have to draw the truth table. Okay, you have to draw the truth table. So what is the value of 5 and what is the value of 2 in binary? So 5 is 101 and B is 010. Because A is having 3 digits, you have to adjust B into 3 digits. Okay, now AND means A into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. So the value is 0. Now I will write this. We have to convert into binary numbers. A, okay, and B and A ampersand B. Now again I will write, okay. Now what is the value of 5? What is the value of 5 in binary number? What is the value of 5 in binary number? 101. Now what is the binary value of 210? But since 5's binary number is having 3 digits, you have to adjust this also into 3 digits. So you know that when you put 0 before the digit will not change. So now this and this I have to convert into truth table. Now 101. Now 1. Now A's value you have to write vertically, not horizontally, vertically. So I will keep this. So what is the value of A? That is 5. That is 1, 0, 1. And what is the value of B? B is 0, 1, 0. That is 2. So since this is having 3 digits, you have to convert into 3 digits. So you can keep 0. Okay, 1 and 0. So A into B means if both are correct, then it will give true, that is 1, otherwise false. So true, false, that is 1, 0 is simply multiplied. Simply multiplied. 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0. So 0, 0, 0 means 0. That's why our answer is 0. Got it? Now, to give you some clarity, I will change this into B also as 5. B also as 5. Now 1, 0, 0, 1. So 5 and 5. So what is this? 1, 1. So A and B is 1. 0, 0, 0. 1 into 1. Now answer is 101. That is 5 itself. Now see this. When I change this, got it? This is how A and B works. Okay friends, let's stop this and I will continue in the next chapter. Okay.